Well, it's a bit warmer today, but there's still got that wind. It's currently 9.5, 4.5 overnight, and 10.6 yesterday. Sunny yesterday, so we'll go and have a look at the rain gauge. There's nothing in the rain gauge, so no rain again, that's great. I think they're close to coming out into leaf here. Daffodils are over, at least on the rockery anyway. Still okay here. Yeah, it's Friday the 27th of March. Cows in the Cuckoosdown field, and I'll pan round, start seeing sheep. Most of the sheep have migrated down to the end of the field here. It's overcast and trying to be sunny.